If you can find a place where there are no sounds of machines and your cell phone will not tink, quietly if you can listen to the sound of the trees, the breeze, the water, just the natural sounds, if you pay enough attention, tremendous things will happen to you. Many times I've been in the South Indian, they're kind of tropical rainforests. So if you just sit there and listen and listen and listen and listen, slowly you start noticing there is a pattern and an organization to this, which is far bigger than any human symphonies that you can achieve, far more complex and far more intense. I think it's very important for every human being, particularly if you have children. Vacation need not be Disneyland. I'm not against it, but one trip is enough, all silly stuff which excites you. Vacation should be into nature. If you can take your children, walk in a jungle, not in a resort, just live on a mountain, expose them to nature, I will tell you, you will bring up your children not only physically healthy, mentally healthy, far more sensible and accepting and wonderful kind of human beings if they know how to… Because once you go into nature, whose son you are, whose daughter you are, what are you in the city doesn't matter, okay? It's very important that everybody experiences that, otherwise you start creating your own illusions as to who you are and you start believing it for sure. Only death and disease tells people who they are. It's very important, especially if you have children, it's extremely important that vacation does not mean movies, vacation does not mean some, I don't know, silly entertainment of doing this and that. It's important there is some connection with the roots of who we are and we listen to the right kind of things, what makes life buzz.
Namaskaram. So one thing which we are attempting to do through our Srishti programs for children is, if we can expose them sufficiently to nature so that they can be exposed to all different types of life, whether it's plant life, animal life, insect life, reptile life, whatever else is there, if they can be exposed to this and if they understand that this universe is not human-centric, we are not the only ones on this planet. Each of the creation has a life on its own and it's a complete life by itself. So even in the Srishti online program, though we are not able to take them outside like we do for our Srishti offline camps, we at least want to see that how we can inspire the children in this program so that if they're not already, they would want to spend more time outdoors and in nature, and whenever they get an opportunity they would want to explore that. So that is our attempt through this online program as well, so that we can inspire the children and develop a deep sense of bonding with nature. Namaskaram.